Make these wooden Christmas trees for your rustic farmhouse style decor. So you'll need some styrofoam cones, some hot glue, some brown paint, as well as some rustic wood slices. And the wood slices I picked up at Hobby Lobby. The first thing you'll want to do is paint your foam cones with the brown paint. This is just so that anything that shows through your wood slices when you add them to the cone are covered. And you'll want to cover the entire cone and then allow it to dry completely. Now the drying time could take a while, so you may want to plan to let these dry overnight. Then just use your hot glue gun to start adhering the wood slices. So these are driftwood wood slices, and again, I picked these up at Hobby Lobby, but you can probably find them on Amazon or something similar to that, or maybe Michael's or Joann's. Look in the wood decor section next to the rustic wood slices. So the very first row at the bottom, see how there's some of the styrofoam cone is visible when you put your first row on. So I actually added a second row just to the bottom. After that, I just layered on one row at a time. So the second row, or actually the third, I guess, would be just layered on one time, and then you just sort of angle those and use some hot glue and hold it until it cools completely before you release. And then just repeat for wood slices all the way up your cone to the very top. And you'll actually finish off the top of your cone with more wood slices. And then you can make these in whatever size you want. I actually made 2 sizes in my case, but you could do whatever sizes you would like. And as you're finishing off the very, very top, so the row above this one, just sort of glue the wood slices together at the very top and hold them together until they cool. And then you'll have a completed wooden Christmas tree